Well, hello there. Okay, so this is just going to be a little rundown on how to operate the DIY program. Very simple. So we get in here, this is your portal. I already have everything all loaded in, as you can see. These are just test units here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to DIY repair, and then we're going to import our credit report, which I've already done. You can use any one of these. We recommend Identity IQ. And all we do is just hit start import. Since I've already done it, I've already done it. But you can also do it manually right down here. You can save your report, put it in here, and then read the file. So once that's done, we go over here and we're going to dispute. So if you didn't want to dispute it, you could just click this button. Or if you want to dispute something that's green, you can click there. So you just go add all. Go up here, look at your templates. Normally, I would go to this one right here, step 1, removing invalidation. This does both inquiries and it will also do validations for you. So once that's done, we click Save Updates or Create Dispute Letters. If you hit this dispute letters, that's where we're going to go to next. But right here, if you look at this, we can look at it, it puts them out into all 3. And this is what you're going to send off, and this is where it's important to have all your information uploaded. Now, this information, if you don't happen to have one of them, like your social security card or this, it's okay, because this is just going to validate this as you are actually who you say you are to the bureaus. And then what you can do is just save the dispute letter and go back over to view disputes. We can print them. I like to print these as PDFs and save them to your destination and then print them out. And the reason I like to print them out on PDF is because I send everything electronically to ClickSend, where it's about anywhere from 72 cents to $1.05, depending on how many letters you have to send out per bureau, which is cheap. You figure you don't have to go down to the post office to get stamps. You don't have to get envelopes. You don't have to get paper. You don't have to get ink. You don't have to make sure there's paper in the printer. Just save time. You send all those out, and they get sent off on your behalf right from the printer. So let me show you the little upload areas. And this is where you're going to upload your bills, your driver's license, all that. So you upload your ID, this box is going to appear. Upload image. Since I already have one, it's not going to go, so we can browse for it and insert it. And pull it from several different places. Same with the bills. And a voided check if you want. And just to make sure all your information is correct, we go to personal info. Make sure this is all correct. You can message me. Put in your message. Say, hey, fantastic, blah, blah, blah. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That's how simple it is. It's not hard at all. You can do it. I write all the letters. If you run into a problem, you can contact me. Anyways, that's it in a nutshell. Very simple. We'll be seeing you. Welcome to your credit journey.